terrible twos in their crew, if they have one, are responsible. We now need to find them and somehow stop the doubling.
So, what do we have here?
People are starting to get suspicious. We need to hide the evidence. Am I hearing buzzing noises outside or something?
What? Let's go check it out.
Hey! Look, I know we are talking about something interesting, but the fact that the drone in front of my house is making me uncomfortable. Can you please move out?
It's not moving.
I'm gonna walk about 122 steps back in case anything happens.
Yeah, same.
So can you just get out of my yard, please? What? Grenade?